It's the Tampa, Florida weather discussion for Friday, the 25th of January. I'm Michael Groff. The first thing you notice when you step outside this morning is a cooler and drier air mass has come in thanks to our cold front that came through here yesterday. How long will that last, and when is our next chance of rain? We'll answer those questions and everything else going on, too, as we take a look first at the almanac from yesterday. 74 for the high, 56 was the low. That occurred at 11:59 p.m. Also, we picked up 86 hundredths of an inch of rain, so once again, we're about 3/4 of an inch above where we should be already on the year. Outside right now here at 7:20 a.m., beautiful sunrise going on, and we start this day at 45 degrees at Tampa International. Dew point at 30, humidity 57%. Winds are from the north at 13 miles per hour, and the barometer is rising rapidly. Around the area this morning, it's cool. It's in the 30s further to the north, mostly 40s for us, near 50, obviously, near the coast. And across the southeast, you see our front is clearing the area, gone, not forgotten, as waves of low pressure will ride up along that front. We'll detail those in just a minute, but could bring some wet weather to at least south and maybe central Florida this weekend. The watch warning map has quieted down quite a bit. Still some winter weather advisories, some lake effect snows going on in parts of upstate New York and over the Great Lakes. And we've got some wind advisories out in Southern California. Convective outlook for today with much of the nation in cool, stable air. No organized areas of severe weather anticipated across the contiguous United States. And precipitation valid through next Friday morning from the WPC. A very tight rainfall gradient, nearly 3 inches for Miami, practically nothing for North Florida. And here in Tampa Bay, around 1/4 of an inch or so. And we'll get into this very tricky forecast as we go to the models right now, talk about it. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 1 o'clock this afternoon. A very high amplitude pattern across North America, one that favors a big ridge over the Northeast Pacific and along the West Coast, and a cold upper trough over the eastern 2/3 of the country. Now for us, down at the surface, that translates to mostly sunny skies, but despite all the sunshine, a good, stiff, cool north breeze today. High temperatures only around 60, maybe the low 60s. Tonight, partly cloudy, lows upper 30s in the cool spots, low 40s for most of us. And then tomorrow, partly cloudy, highs low to mid 60s. Now, we do have that old frontal boundary that came through here yesterday. That's going to be sitting over the Florida Straits or extreme South Florida. And then we're going to see a short wave develop over the Gulf Saturday night and Sunday, riding up along that front, and some overrunning of the moisture. And so you see some pretty heavy rain going on across South Florida around Miami and Key West. How far north that precipitation gets with the overrunning on the front, that's going to be a very tricky part of this forecast. Right now, it does look like Tampa Bay will be on the northern fringes of this. So kind of a cloudy day with off and on showers through the day. It's not going to rain all day, but it will be somewhat of a dreary, cool day. Highs in the upper 50s. The chance of showers should continue into at least the first half of Monday, and then we'll start to see decreasing clouds. High temperatures in the low 60s. Tuesday, another front is approaching from the west. This one doesn't look to be nearly as dynamic, though. In fact, the surface low is way up over eastern Canada, so this thing's going to run out of gas by the time it gets to us. Tuesday looks dry, partly cloudy, highs low to mid 60s. By the time this front or whatever's left of it comes through here, I don't even anticipate much, if anything, in the way of precipitation. So high temperatures, low to mid 60s with partly cloudy skies Wednesday and Thursday. Then a week from today, this is Friday, the 1st of February, we've got a short wave again west of the state. And so we could see some rain in here by the end of next week and into the following weekend potentially, but the models have been a little hit or miss on this feature. So keep that in mind. We'll take it with a grain of salt. Let's go out 10 days to the end of the period. This is Sunday, the 3rd of February. And big trough now over the western states and a ridge out here. And so temperatures should be recovering back toward seasonal averages. Let's check out the temperatures through the period coming off of the GFS ensemble. It's got us at 59 on Sunday with that chance of rain in here. And then we'll start to see a warming trend way out toward about 10 days and into early February. High temperatures getting back to around average. And that's going to do it for the Tampa, Florida weather discussion for today. My next video back here on Monday morning. And if you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. Be safe out there and have yourselves a fantastic weekend.